minutes, maybe stopping. But the rock never dies. 97.8.
Woo! There you go, bitches.
Liberty Rock
Hey.
Radio.
What do you think about this, eh? Cheers, big ears. Woo! Hey, just a quick one. Just another rib steak video. I haven't done just another rib steak video in a long time. And my ass hurts. I really got fucking raped for this fucking steak. Actually, 2 steaks. So I got fucking doubly raped. No lube, maybe a bit of sand, but cheers, big ears. Oh, let's have another sip of that, eh? Shall we? I was in a hankering for a fucking steak the other day. I already cooked one, this is the second one. $36 for 2 14-ounce rib steaks. I've never paid that in my life for a little pussy steak like this. But I wanted a rib steak, and nobody had them on sale, so there you go. Fucking horrid. So let's get this on here. Just Montreal steak spice, that's it. My favorite for beef. Boom. That's not even going to be 8 minutes. 6 minutes. Where's the beer? Here's the beer. Alright, bitches. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Drink up, buttercup. We're just gonna fucking, like I say, 6, maybe 7 minutes on here. This bitch will be done. And no veg, nothing. I'm just having a steak. This is a late afternoon snack. Just finished shooting a unboxing video. Hey, it's been warm for 2 fucking days. Yesterday was 14 degrees. Today it got up almost to 20. I think it was 19 today. And the black flies and the mosquitoes are out like fucking stupid. Oh, that smells good. Oh, fuck yeah. Bitchy! Lump charcoal. Using the Royal Oak lump charcoal on that. Drinking some fucking beers. Listening to some fucking tunes. It's the way it is, bitches. This is the Drunk House. Late afternoon snack. Well, some people call it, well, it's supper time. It's 6:45. I don't have supper till fucking late. This is my lunch. Okay, let's fucking give this a spinaroo and let's get out of here. You know how to do that, right? There you go, just like that. You ain't gonna flip it yet. Do 4 minutes, she's done. Put her on a rack, let her rest, and let's eat. No sides, not today. Cheers, big ears. Whoa. All right, bitches. Let's flip this bitch over, eh? Shall we? Nice, eh? Look at that, eh? That's just looking fucking gorgeous. Woo! Cheers, big ears. Fucking bastard might know what he's doing after all, eh? All those beers and drugs? You'd think not, eh? Well, it is a drunk cooking channel, by the way. If you didn't fucking notice. If you're offended by the swearing, well, you know what? Fuck, feel free to fuck right off. Maybe give my nuts a little tingle on the way out. RTFO, mofos. Cheers, big ears. Drink up, buttercup. Woo! Alright, bitches. I think we're good to go. It's been close to 8 minutes. Maybe 7, maybe 8. I don't know. Thereabouts. Cheers, big ears. Maybe a little too long, I don't know. But we got a drink. Smelling fucking great. Got a rack. A little bit too much. That's okay. Looks like that. Woo! It's gonna taste fucking awesome. Gonna put a bit of HP and that's it. Maybe some horseradish. We'll put some horseradish too. Okay, let's go let this rest for a few minutes. And where's the beer? The beer's right here, bitches. And we'll get a new fucking beer. Cheers, big ears. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Clean your grate. Burn that shit off. There you go. It's like the Corona. Burn the fucking Corona too. Perfect. Alright, bitches. RTFO, mofos. Alright, bitches. Woo! Look at that, eh? Looks fucking beauty. Gonna use a little bit of fucking horseradish. And look, I had to buy a little pussy boy size fucking HP sauce. The place where I normally buy my 1 liter of HP sold right out. 400 mils. Fucking big fucking deal. That don't last too fucking long. You gotta buy it by the fucking liter. Okay, and well, the standard beer can size is 355 milliliters, so for Canada. So let's open one of these up. Woo! Cheers, big ears. Ah, fuck, that's good. Okay. I have a half decent kind of plate. I was gonna put it on a really shitty plate, like one of these fucking Hooters plates. That's a 20 plate from Hooters. Where's the old fucking pinchers? Here they are. Alright, bitches. There you go. Boom. Burn it all to hell. Alright. Let's get some fucking horseradish down here. It's been a long time since I did just another rib steak video. And that's all it is. It's just another fucking rib steak. So I'm fucking hungry. That'll be enough for you. Horseradish is Vault Boy approved. So is HP sauce. Gotta get the fucking HP. Get her in ya, bitches. Okay, got some HP there. Fuck, that's good. Alright. Let's give her a whirl, boys and girls. And others. Vault Boy, Vault Girl, approved. Let's fucking try this out. I know it's gonna be over. I don't give a fuck. The fuck do I care? It's a snack. And of course, this is the little end. The thin end. There you go, bitches. There you go. Over lump charcoal. Shotgun to the temple. Woo! And a nice little bit of fat on the outside. Makes it a little bit fucking nice and tasty. Get a bit of fat there. I don't want the HP, I want the horseradish on that one. Oh, fucking good. That's fucking great. HP. Brown sauce, bitches. And I ain't talking about the fucking sphincter brown sauce. Oh, fuck this. Take your ketchup and shove it up your ass. Wow. I have seen people put ketchup on steak. Seriously. Fucking retard. But that's good. Kenny, HP, my friend. One of my disciples. Horseriders, bitches. Fuck, man. Fuck, that's so good. I can't believe I paid $18 for this piece of shit. Like, seriously. That's a fucking $8 steak at best in Canada. Wow. Grizzle. You can fuck that. Fuck you. Yeah. HP and horseradish. That's so good. Alright, bitches. Boring you enough. Don't care. That's how we do it in the drunk house. Spending time with me, if you don't like it, go to another channel. I don't give a fuck. Fuck off. I don't care. Ask anybody that knows me. There you go. Woo! Woo! Wait. Beer. Fuck me. It's so nice to have that in the fridge when you want a snack. Alright, bitches. Cheers, big ears. Drink up, buttercup. Woo! Yeah! Turn it up! I wish I could turn it up. Oh, I can, but I have to go to the other room. Oh. Fat. Gotta eat the fat. Wait. Oh, fuck me. That fat is so good. Rendered perfectly. Yeah. Actually, the music is quiet for the video. You know that, right? So, like, when I am listening, I crank it. So I'm gonna crank it right fucking now. This is how I normally listen, bitches. That's how you fucking do it in the drunk house, bitches. RTFO, mofos. Drink beer. Do your weed. Get fucked up. Cook some food. Shut the fuck up. Fuck yeah. That's fucking good. Oh, pardon me. I like it. Woo! Drunk cooking, bitches. Woo!